Hi, I'm Vinny with Plan Companies. Plan recognizes the importance of technology in today's property management world. Because of that, we have developed solutions in 3 key areas: staff accountability, package and guest management, and work order processing. Nexus is a system designed to help keep your janitorial and/or security guard staff accountable by the use of strategic QR code stickers. Your team scans each checkpoint during their rounds, providing you with reports and information on what time they did their rounds or if they've missed anything. Nexus also has the ability to attach an incident report or an image to a particular checkpoint, allowing for accurate incident documentation. Through text messaging, which nearly everyone has, we've developed Package, Visitor, and Resident Nexus. These systems allow residents or tenants to be alerted of package or visitor arrivals. On the back end, we can track each visit and create logs for seamless reporting. Our work order processing platform enables your residents or tenants to create, monitor, and manage maintenance work orders throughout your property. All 3 pillars of plant technology are easily tracked through our administrative dashboard designed to deliver building status and metrics at a glance. We feel confident that our solutions will play an important role in the satisfaction of building owners, property managers, and most importantly, the residents and tenants of your property.